Hi, today I will review Sennheiser Momentum in-ear wireless headphone. Inside the box, there is a in-ear wireless headset, USB charging cable, ear adapter setup, size extra small, medium and large. You will also get high quality waterproof carry, case, safety and quick guides. This wireless headphone comes with luxurious leather neckband for highest wearing comfort. It comes with 2 years of global warranty. Do not forget to register your earphone on Sennheiser official website posted in description of this video. You can connect this headset and use it with any Android smartphone, iPhone, laptop or connect using any device using Bluetooth. You can connect two devices simultaneously and flawlessly like a two smartphone or a laptop and a phone together. Also, they automatically store 10 devices in memory for quick pairing with easy. Connectivity is very good. No noise in connection in crowded places. The sound is near perfect, especially if you are instrumental music lover. The deep bass sound and voice quality adds more cushion to your ears. Power backup lasts about 8 to 9 hours as mentioned when listening to music or making phone calls or attending meetings. Charging time is around 1.5 hours. As a YouTuber, I liked it most because of the mic quality. Right now I am using this as a mic and it's really amazing.